Hi everyone, in this video we will gonna look about the aggregations function in Power BI DAX. We will see the different aggregations function and its uses. Basically the aggregation function gives us the aggregate value or scalar value. In this table, the Walmart retail data, we have a sales column and we want to find out the total sales. We will use the sum function that is available. Name it as total sales. Total sales. The function is sum function that aggregates the all values from the column. The other function that we will see, it's average function and it gives the average value from the column. And this is a shipping cost and we want to find out the average shipping cost. Again, we will click on the new measure. Name it as average shipping cost. Function is average shipping cost. Now the second last two aggregation function that we will see is minimum function and the maximum function, and we will see it on this column, order quantity column. The minimum function gives us the minimum value from the column. We will name it as minimum quantity. Function is min. Order quantity. And the last thing that we want to find out from this data set is the maximum order quantity. And we will use the next function here. Order quantity column. We will click on the card visualization and I'm copying it to 4 because we have 4 visualization. So we have a total sales of 14.92 million that we calculated it using the sum function. And the average shipping cost, it is 12.84. And the minimum order quantity that is ordered by the customer, it is 1. And the max quantity, it is 15. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.